Hey everybody, this is a quick video. When buying a car or truck out of auction, you never really want to do it online. You always want to take a look at it. So I'll give you a couple of things. 2017, 18 maybe, I don't know. It's the new aluminum body. I'll walk you through a few things here. First, paint right here, chip and respray. Lights look okay. Hood looks okay. Right here, respray. You can tell by the gap right here that was done. Right here, look at that door, look at that gap. Same right here, hammered out. Right here, boom. New bumper. That's about it. Right here. Right here's okay. This looks like it was straightened out. You can tell by this. See? They just straightened it out. Sprayed it. Same with this. The paint actually looks shit. Ooh, look at that. Ugly as shit. 34,000 miles. Look at that seat. Look at that gap. Look at that overspray. This is one. So this was wrecked in the front. I'm not even popping the hood. Here's another one. This one's even better. Aluminum body. So this must have been a pretty hard hit if this thing caved in. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Look at these ugly ass lights. Hood, whatever. Oh, rattle can. Platinum grill, right? Or rattle can. You can tell this bumper, this fender was sprayed. No, this one actually wasn't. What's wrong with this door? This door looks fine. Oh, right here. Boom. Look at that. I don't know about this. That's ugly as shit. Right here. This was hit on the side. You're missing something here. You're missing a support, buddy. Yeah. Ooh. Well, sure is aluminum. This one's only 66,000. That's ugly. That's why you always want to check it out. Don't just buy online.